Hello everybody and welcome to your channel One Step English with your teacher Muhammad Khanbua. So today we'll talk about the present simple. So let's discover this tense. We will start by the affirmative form. And we will have different examples. Okay, the first verb is the verb to play. To play. Example, I play football every day. I play football every day. Every day is a keyword for the present simple. We all the time use the present simple when we see every day. Study. You study English on Mondays. You study English on Mondays. Mondays with S, it means every Monday. It's another keyword for the present simple. Read. He reads stories every night. He reads stories every night. Speak. She speaks 4 languages. She speaks 4 languages. Rain. It rains a lot every winter. It rains a lot every winter. And as you can see here, with he, she, and it, we add s to the verb. Look at the example. He reads, she speaks, it rains. So, with he, she, and it, we add s to the verb. It's all the time plus s in he, she, and it. Okay? So now let's move to the next verb, travel. We travel every July. We travel every July. Drink. You drink coffee at the weekend. You drink coffee at the weekend. Watch. They watch TV every day. They watch TV every day. So, from all these examples, we can understand that in he, she, it, we add s. We have other verbs that don't follow the same pattern, like the verb to be. I am, you are, he is, she is, it is, we are, you are, they are. And the verb to have as well, with I, you, we, they have, he, she, it has. Okay? So remember, please, remember is that with he, she, and it in the present simple, it's plus s, like in the examples, reads, speaks, understands. But we have other exceptions that sometimes we add plus es when the verb ends with sh. When the verb ends with sh, like in the example, brushes, finishes, wishes, and washes. Or when the verb ends with ch, like in the examples, watches, touches, teaches, and matches. Double s, like in the examples, misses, presses, dresses, and kisses. Or when it ends with x, like fixes, mixes, relaxes. Or o, like in the two verbs, goes and does. Okay, we have another exception is plus ies, and here we add ies to the verb in he, she, it when the verb ends with consonant plus y. Consonant plus y. Of course, the consonants are the letters B, C, D, F, G, L, M, K, J, M, N, R, S, T, as opposed to the vowels, which they are A, I, E, O, U. Example of consonant plus Y is study. D is a consonant plus Y. D, of course, is a consonant. So we have consonant plus Y. So in this example, we have studies. We drop the Y and we add IES. Another example is the verb to carry. Carry, consonant plus Y, so we have carries, IES. But be careful, please, it's not the same as enjoys, because enjoys is with O is a vowel, vowel plus Y. Or plays, plays, it's with vowel plus Y. Okay, now let's move to the interrogative form. Interrogative form, we have two ways. We have do with I, you, we, and they. It's when we ask the question, of course. So do we use it with I, you, we, and they. The example: Do you study every day? Do they play football on Mondays? The other form that we have is does. Does. Does is with he, she, and it. Like in the example, does he go to school on Saturdays? Or does she live in Casablanca? Does it rain a lot here? Okay, so when we have does with he, she, and it, does is with he, she, and it, while do is with I, you, we, and they. Okay, now let's move to the negative form when we have not. Negative form. Two forms as well. I, you, we, they, we don't. Like the example, I don't like pizza. They don't sleep late on Tuesdays. And he, she, it with doesn't. So when we have he, she, it, it's doesn't in the negative form. The example that we have, he doesn't work on Sunday. She doesn't travel a lot. She doesn't travel a lot. So he, she, it doesn't. I, you, we, they don't. Now we have some keywords like every day, every week, every year, Tuesdays, Mondays, Thursdays, okay? So these are the keywords. And we have the adverbs of frequency that describe the frequency of an action. So we have always, always. The percentage of always, of course, is 100%. 100%. Then we have usually, 75%. Often, 50%. Sometimes, 25%. Rarely, 10%. And never, 0%. Okay, so these are the adverbs of frequency, of course. Examples about them: I always play basketball. And as you can see here, the adverb of frequency is all the time between the subject and the verb. I, adverb of frequency, play. I always play basketball. I always play basketball. He never smokes. He never smokes. Subject pronoun, adverb of frequency, verb. They rarely arrive on time. They rarely arrive on time again. And the example here, but be careful please, he is usually late. Verb to be is an exception here because the verb to be is before the adverb of frequency, not after it. Okay, he is usually late. Okay, so now let's move to the use or the usage of this, the use of this tense. So we use it with habits or daily activities. It means based on everyday, daily activities. Like the example, I usually wake up at 7 a.m. I usually, every day, except for example the weekends, I wake up. General truth or facts, something that is always true: the sun turns around the earth. The sun turns around the earth. Now let's move to some exercises with the present simple. So we have the first one: put the following verbs in the present simple. So we have different examples. I'll give you 1 minute to do them, please. And pay please special attention to the personal pronoun. Like in the first example, we have Rania. So Rania, which personal pronoun? David, which personal pronoun? Our teacher. Okay, let's see the first example. Rania sometimes reads. Very good. David prepares dinner. Our teacher wears, because he. I am always sick in autumn. I am. They wear funny clothes on Saturdays. Okay, so let's move now to the second exercise that we will have. Put the following verbs in the present simple or into the present simple. Okay, so we will have 5 sentences. Take 1 minute and try to do them They are interrogative and negative form. The first one, you listen to music every day. Do you listen to music every day? He not work on Sundays. Negative, he doesn't work on Sundays. She help her mom. Sunday, of course, it's with you, not with O, okay? So we say she help her mom with the housework. Does she help her mom? John doesn't like and mom don't speak. Mom and dad don't speak Spanish. Okay, let's move to the third exercise. Put the following verbs in the present simple. Okay, 5 other exercises, sentences, I'm sorry. Okay, the first one, Peter play the piano, but he not play the guitar. Okay, Peter plays the piano, but he doesn't play the guitar. Peter plays the piano, but he doesn't play the guitar. Number 2, he doesn't go to the gym. He relaxes. He relaxes. What you eat for breakfast? What do you eat for breakfast? Good. It rain a lot here. Does it rain a lot here? When do they leave for school? When do they leave for school? And I hope that this lesson helped you to understand well the present simple, and don't forget to subscribe, like and share to have all our latest videos. Thank you so much.